Beyond your daily thoughts, beyond fears and distractions, lies a hidden realm of limitless awareness, your superconscious mind. It holds the secrets to clarity, creativity, intuition, and untapped human potential. The mind has three layers: the conscious, your waking thoughts; the subconscious, your habits, emotions, and memories; the superconscious, a realm of pure insight, inspiration, and intuition. Few ever reach it, but it is your birthright. Leonardo da Vinci, Nikola Tesla, modern-day visionaries all access this realm, and so can you. So how do we begin this journey? The first step is to silence the mind. Sit in stillness, breathe deeply, and just observe your thoughts without judgment. Every distraction you quiet opens a doorway to higher awareness. It's about creating a space for your inner self to speak. Step 2 is to connect with nature. Go for a walk, breathe in the fresh air, and truly observe the world around you. Nature has a powerful way of resetting the mind, aligning your personal consciousness with the universal energy that flows through all living things. Next, step 3, engage your creative powers. Draw, paint, compose music, or invent something new. Creativity isn't just for artists, it's a fundamental human trait that activates new pathways in your brain, leading directly to your superconscious mind. The fourth step is to observe yourself. Keep a journal. Record your dreams, your fleeting thoughts, and the patterns you notice in your behavior. This kind of self-awareness is the bridge that connects your inner world to the infinite consciousness you're seeking to unlock. Now for a more advanced technique. Step 5, breath work. Oxygenating your body and mind through specific breathing exercises can work wonders. Techniques like alternate nostril breathing heighten your focus, expand your awareness, and bring incredible mental clarity. And step 6, lucid dreaming. Your dreams are a playground for your mind. You can learn to become aware that you're dreaming and then use that state to solve problems, access deep intuition, and communicate with your subconscious in a creative and powerful way. As you begin to awaken your superconscious mind, you'll start to notice profound changes. Your intuition will start guiding your decisions. You'll experience sudden moments of profound clarity. You'll enter flow states where time seems to dissolve. Your creativity will skyrocket, and you'll feel a deep, unshakable connection with the universe. This awakening transforms life itself. Every decision, every thought, every action becomes infused with a higher, more potent awareness. Ready to take it even further? Advanced practices like visualization, daily affirmations, energy alignment, and mind mapping can help you fully integrate this power. The superconscious mind isn't just a state you visit during meditation. It becomes a part of your daily life, empowering you at every single moment. Remember, it's not a place you visit, it's a power you awaken within yourself. Your superconscious mind is waiting. Every breath, every thought, every moment is a doorway. Step through, awaken your inner power, and discover the infinite potential that lies within you. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe to Nido Quest, and please like and share this video to help awaken the minds of others.